everyone, this is Howard. So today I'm gonna show you the AVer BYOD mode in our VB370A. So this feature is that you can use your personal laptop, connect to our VB370A, and then we can use the VB370A speakerphone and the camera, and also extend our monitor through the VB370A to the display. Okay, so how to use it? So first of all, we need to focus on the CP10 due to our control panel. Okay, so initially you were in the Zoom control panel, so we need to go back to the home page, and we will have the room management here. We just go to room management here, and then we need to select the VB370A and go to the system. And in system, you will see the two selections for the video service provider. One is for Zoom, another one is AVer BYOD. Just select the AVer BYOD and then continue. And here, if you have two monitors, you can design which monitor you want the source for the display to show in. So here I use the USB Type-C cable. So I connect two USB Type-C cable here, and we just start the BYOD and continue. And to switch to the AVer BYOD mode, it will require the camera, the VB370A to reboot itself. So it may wait 2 minutes to let the camera to do a reboot. And for the AVer BYOD mode, the only thing you need to do is connecting the Type-C USB Type-C cable from the VB370A to your PC. Okay, so then you can see my PC monitor is extended to the display. And also, if I select the Teams, and in Teams you can see even the speakerphone, sorry, it's a Chinese version, but it means that the speakerphone, we can select the VB370A, and also for the microphone. And also, if you go to the camera setting, you also can select the VB370A for using the camera. Okay, so that is how we use the AVer BYOD mode. Thank you.